I included different pictures. Uh, One of the misconceptions is what can be done in an adult athlete can be done in a young athlete or vice versa. There are different physiologic needs or concerns if there's an injured young athlete is concerned to an adult athlete. Particularly with regards to tissue healing, pag mas bata po, mas mabilis ang recovery. Kaya lang, it's a challenge for us how to elicit or ask a young athlete if they have an injury. Minsan takot. So we must use other ways of observing if a young athlete is injured. And of course, the emotional burden. As compared to male to female athletes, there are different concerns. Dito po, what happened here? Football is now fast gaining ground, no? In 2011 alone, nagkaroon ng awareness regarding football. Parang lahat gusto mag-try out sa asphalt. That's a welcome trend, no? Because perhaps in football you may excel kasi wala masyadong concern regarding height kung tayo tumakbo. Concerns for the female, may concern for female athletes, yung what we call female triad, particularly those who are into track events, for those who need to go on diet because of weight category. When they lose too much fats, you all know that estrogen, the hormone, it's responsible for, aside from the attributes of the female, estrogen is responsible for transporting and absorbing calcium. If a female has a menstrual irregularities, or when they always go to the varsity, repeatedly or periodically suffering from stress fracture, pag stress fracture po, hindi talaga kompletong bale, no? Or sa glass, lamat. Pag nabasag, complete fracture. I always tell them, or I ask them, although minsan they find the question too private, do you have irregular menstruation? Kasi ang concept nila, pag irregular menstruation, pregnant. Either way, pag pregnant, an adult is pregnant, you don't participate in sports, particularly contact sports. If they have frequent stress fracture, we ask them if they have menstrual irregularity because they may need hormonal replacement. The concept of hormonal replacement is not only for those menopausal population but also for young athletes. Yung mga nagpa-fast po, or those who are too conscious. Or sometimes, overtraining is the problem. Wala nang caloric balance. Or sometimes they avoid fats. Fats is not fat, no? It's an energy source. Aside from that, it is the precursor, din po yung kumukuha ng ingredient or chemical or hormone. Or for injuries for professional athletes,